Hi student, up to now we have discussed about the isothermal process, isochloric process, isobaric process, and we have studied the detailed explanation about these three processes, that is isothermal, isochloric, isobaric. Today we will learn the next process, that is the adiabatic process. Dear student, you are familiar this adiabatic process, that is the adiabatic process. We are familiar in a case of the chemistry, and in this adiabatic word is deals with the no transfer of heat. That means no heat loss or gain. No heat loss or gain to this system from the surrounding or from this system to the surrounding. That is the adiabatic process. Then what is the definition of the adiabatic process? The process in which the transfer of heat, no transfer of heat, the process in which no transfer of heat from the surrounding to the system or no transfer of heat from the surrounding to the system or from the system to the surrounding, from the system to the surrounding. The process in which no transfer of heat from the surrounding to the system or from the system to the surrounding, मीन्स ये ऐसी प्रोसेस है कि ये प्रोसेस में सराउंडिंग से भी हम हीट सप्लाई नहीं कर सकते सिस्टम को, और सिस्टम भी हीट रिलीज नहीं कर सकती सराउंडिंग में, यानी हीट की जो वैल्यूज है दैट इज इक्वल टू जीरो. सो फॉर adiabatic process or adiabatic process Q equal to 0. For adiabatic process Q equal to 0, and this adiabatic system is prevented either the system perfectly thermally insulated or the process which occurs rapidly, whether it is expansion or compression, which occurs rapidly, means there is no time required to exchange the heat between surrounding and system. ये ऐसी प्रोसेस है. ये प्रोसेस एडियाबैटिक चेंज हम कैसे ला सकते हैं? एक हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि सिस्टम को परफेक्टली थर्मली इंसुलेटेड कर सकते हैं, और दूसरा जो वे है वो ये जो प्रोसेस है वो अगर हमने रैपिडली रैपिडली द प्रोसेस विच डन्स which occurs rapidly, so no heat, no time required the exchange the heat between surrounding and system. टाइम जो लगेगा इट इज द शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, और ये शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम है. रैपिड प्रोसेस अगर होगी तो रैपिड प्रोसेस के लिए टाइम क्या लगेगा? शॉर्ट टाइम लगेगा. और शॉर्ट टाइम के इसमें शॉर्ट टाइम इंटरवल में जो हीट जो एक्सचेंज हो रही है उसको इनफ टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, एक्सचेंज होने के लिए उसको इनफ टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. सो नो टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू एक्सचेंज द हीट between system and surrounding. That is Q equal to 0. Q equal to 0. And according to our first law of thermodynamics, del U that is equal to Q minus W. Del U that is equal to Q minus W. So del U that is equal to 0 minus W. That is equal to minus W. That is equal to minus W means del U that is equal to minus W means work done is negative. Work done is negative. When the work done is negative, when the work is done on the gas, then in this case the work is negative, that is work less than 0. And we are familiar with the example, that is the compression of the gas. Compression of the gas. In case of the compression of the gas, the internal energy is increases. That means temperature is increases and work done is negative. Work done is negative. So work done is negative. Work is negative. Internal energy positive. Internal energy positive means temperature is increases. Temperature is increases. In other ways, work done is positive. When we get the work done positive, हमको पॉजिटिव वर्क डन कब मिलेगा? जब गैस का क्या होगा? एक्सपांशन होगा. दैट इज वर्क इज डन बाय द सिस्टम. वर्क इज डन बाय द सिस्टम. तो वो केस में हमको क्या मिलेगा? पॉजिटिव वर्क मिलेगा. और वर्क पॉजिटिव है तो इंटरनल एनर्जी क्या रहेगी? निगेटिव रहेगी. और इंटरनल एनर्जी निगेटिव है यानी इंटरनल एनर्जी डिक्रीज हो रही है. Internal energy decrease, so temperature is decreases. So gas becomes the cool. Gas becomes the cool in case of the expansion, and in case of the compression, the gas becomes the warm up. Gas becomes the warm. Okay, so W is less than 0 means work is negative. Del U is positive. Work is positive, del U is negative. Okay, so this in case of the adiabatic process, in case of the adiabatic change, that is the total work done is utilized. That is the total energy is utilized in the form of change in internal energy. Total energy utilized in the form of only the changes in internal energy. Only the changes in internal energy. So, what is the picture of this adiabatic process? PV diagram of the, what is the PV diagram? Nature of the PV diagram of adiabatic process. That is, it is the P axis. It is a V axis. Suppose it is the A corresponding to, we have to consider the Pi. I suffix, we also use the 1 or 2 suffix, but in this article we use the suffix I. Pi is the initial pressure and it is the adiabatically engaged. That is the, it is A's initial state point represented by point A and final state point is represented by B. So it is the final pressure and that is the it is corresponding to VI and it is corresponding to VF. It is corresponding to VF means that is the pressure is decreases. Pressure is decreases, volume is increases. In case of the adiabatic process, pressure, volume as well as temperature mean three main state variable changes. Three main state variable changes, but the heat supplied to the system or from the system, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. This is the PV diagram of adiabatic process. This is the PV diagram of adiabatic process. Means this is the adiabatic changes which occurs from which occurs from Pi, Vi, Ti, Pi, Vi, Ti to Pf, Vf, Tf to Pf, Vf, Tf. I suffix for initial, F suffix used for final. So this is the picture of PV diagram for adiabatic process. Okay, so the work is done. So we have to find the work is done in case of the adiabatic process, and we know that is the formula for work done for adiabatic process. That means W, that is equal to, and equation of state for adiabatic process, that is PV gamma, that is equal to constant. PV gamma, that is equal to constant. PV gamma, that is equal to constant. And in case this is for in terms of pressure and volume, in terms of pressure and volume, and in terms of temperature and volume, in terms of temperature and volume, it is given by gamma, it is V, gamma minus 1, that is the constant. Gamma minus 1, that is the constant. T V gamma minus 1, that is the constant, and PV gamma, that is equal to constant. What is the, we have to use this equation for obtain the expression for work, that is PV gamma, where gamma is the adiabatic ratio or adiabatic constant, and so this gamma is equal to ratio of two specific heat, that is gamma equal to ratio of specific heat at constant pressure to specific heat at constant volume. ये जो गैमा है, ये गैमा को हम क्या कहते हैं, एडियाबैटिक रेशियो कहते हैं, और इसको एडियाबैटिक कांस्टेंट भी कहते हैं. और ये जो एडियाबैटिक रेशियो और कांस्टेंट है, ये दो स्पेसिफिक हीट का, वेदर इट इज मोलर और ऑर्डिनरी, इट इज रेशियो ऑफ टू स्पेसिफिक हीट. इसमें कि पहला जो रहता है वो कांस्टेंट स्पेसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, और दूसरा जो है वो स्पेसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. सो Cp by Cv. We have already discussed about this gamma in case of this kinetic theory of gases and radiation chapter, and we know that general formula for gamma in terms of the degrees of freedom, that is 1 plus 2 by F. Gamma, that is equal to 1 plus 2 by F, where F is the degrees of freedom. And for monoatomic gas, the degrees of freedom is 3. Then what is the value of F for monoatomic gas? That is F equal to 3. So we get gamma equal to 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3 for monoatomic gas. Gamma equal to 5 by 3, and for diatomic gas, gamma equal to 1 plus 2 by F, and for diatomic F equal to 5, so we get 1 plus 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So that is equal to 7 by 5. That is equal to 7 by 5. And for polyatomic gas, F equal to 6. F equal to 6. So gamma equal to 1 plus 2 by F. That is equal to 1 plus 2 by 6. 1 plus 2 by 6, that is equal to 8 by 6, means 4 by 3. That is equal to 8 by 6, that is 4 by 3. We have already discussed, dear student, that is gamma for polyatomic, diatomic in case of the kinetic theory of gases and radiation chapter. Okay, so this gamma is from these values, it is clear that the gamma is always greater than 1. From this value, it is clear that the gamma is always greater than 1. Gamma is always greater than 1. So, our next is to find out the work done. And we know that student, in case of the adiabatic process or change, that is no heat enter to the system from the surrounding, or no heat release from the system to the surrounding, and so the adiabatic changes occurs in case of the work done W, that is equal to integration Vi to Vf P dV. W, that is equal to Vi to Vf P dV, and to substitute the values of P from this equation of state VV PV gamma, that is equal to constant, that is equal to C. We have to notate the constant, that is the C. So we get W, that is equal to integration of Vi to Vf, Vi to Vf, Vi to Vf C, and that is a dV upon V gamma. CV upon V gamma. So C is taken outside from the integral, and we get dV upon V gamma, and this equation is also written as W, that is equal to C integration of Vi to Vf, integration of Vi to Vf, V gamma plus 1 upon 1 minus gamma. Minus gamma plus 1 or 1 minus gamma, both are the same. And this is also written as W, that is equal to C upon 1 minus gamma, 1 minus gamma, that is equal to V gamma plus 1 Vi to Vf, gamma plus 1 Vi to Vf. Then our next is W, that is equal to C upon 1 minus gamma, C upon 1 minus gamma. Substitute the limit, we get Vf gamma plus 1 minus Vi minus gamma plus 1, minus gamma plus 1. Okay, so this equation is also written as W, that is equal to C upon 1 minus gamma, that is equal to 1 upon Vf, gamma minus 1 minus 1 upon Vi gamma minus 1, 1 upon Vi gamma minus 1. अगर ये वैल्यू अगर हम इंटीग्रल में डालें और इंटीग्रल हमने अगर सॉल्व अगर किया तो इंटीग्रल हमको ऐसा मिलेगा, इंटीग्रल का जो फॉर्मूले है वो यूज करके, और उसके बाद अगर हम सब्स्टिट्यूट अगर किए तो बाद में हमको ये ऐसा इक्वेशन मिलेगा, वी एफ माइनस गैमा प्लस वन माइनस वी आई माइनस गैमा प्लस वन। और इसको अगर गैमा माइनस गैमा प्लस वन को अगर गैमा माइनस वन में अगर हमको लिखना है तो हम माइनस से मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके ये जो है वो 1/v गैमा माइनस वन में हम लिख सकते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इक्वेशन 1/v गैमा माइनस वन माइनस vi gamma minus 1, but we know that c equal to this, c equal to pv gamma, that is equal to constant, and we are also written as pi vi gamma, pi vi gamma, that is equal to p of v of gamma, pi vi gamma, that is equal to p of v of gamma, p of v of gamma. So this value of c, it is the value of c. Substitute the value of c in the above equation, we get w, that is equal to c upon 1 minus gamma, c, that is, it is equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma, 1 upon 1 minus gamma, and substitute the values of in case of this first term we write p of v of gamma upon v of gamma minus 1 minus pi vi gamma upon vi gamma minus 1 upon vi gamma minus 1, and from this equation we write w equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma, 1 upon 1 minus gamma, that is equal to p of v. अगर हमने वी एफ का अगर टर्म अगर लिया है तो ये क्या होगा, दैट इज इक्वल टू वी एफ गैमा, और ये होगा माइनस गैमा प्लस 1, ये गैमा और माइनस गैमा 0, सिर्फ वी एफ के जो पावर रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा, सिर्फ 1 रहेगा, और पी एफ वैसा ही रहेगा, यानी वी गेट पी ऑफ वी ऑफ माइनस P of V of minus Pi Vi. But we know that according to equation of state, that is a PV equal to RT. So we use the suffix P of V of, then we get TF, because R is a gas constant, it is a constant, and in case of Pi Vi, that is we get RTI, then substitute this value in the above equation, or we also write n for number of moles, and above equation becomes that is PF VF, we substitute nRTF, so W, that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma, substitute the values of PF VF, that is equal to nRTF minus nRTI minus nRTI. So W, that is equal to nR 1 minus gamma, that is equal to TF minus TI. nR upon 1 minus gamma, that is equal to TF minus TI. और हमारा जो टेक्स्ट बुक्स है वो टेक्स्ट बुक्स में nR 1 माइनस gamma लिखा है और TI माइनस TF लिखा है, वहां पे थोड़ा करेक्शन करना है। और Ti माइनस Tf कब होगा? जब हम एनआर गामा माइनस वन अगर लिखा, एनआर गामा माइनस वन अगर लिखा, तो फिर हमें Ti माइनस Tf मिलेगा। एनआर गामा माइनस वन, Ti माइनस Tf, एंड दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर वर्क डन। दिस इज, ये फॉर्मूला वर्क डन के लिए है। कौन से प्रोसेस में? एडिबैटिक प्रोसेस। एनआर गामा माइनस वन, Ti माइनस Tf, और एनआर वन माइनस गामा Tf माइनस Ti। अगर हम ये फॉर्मूला अगर यूज अगर किए तो हमें पता है कि इन केस ऑफ द व्हेन द गैस adiabatically expanded, when the gas adiabatically expanded, then the final temperature is decreases than the initial temperature for adiabatically expansion, or for adiabatic expansion, the W is greater than 0. For adiabatically expansion, W is greater than 0 means work done by the system, and W is greater than 0 means Tf is less than Ti. W is greater than 0 means Tf is less than Ti, that is work is positive. Work is positive. For adiabatically expansion, W is greater than 0, so Tf is less than Ti, so work is positive. Means in case of the adiabatically expansion, work is positive. Work is positive means internal energy is decreases, that is temperature is decreases, and gas becomes the cool. Gas will be cool. Gas will be cool. In case of the adiabatic compression, W is less than 0, that is work is less than 0, that means Tf is greater than Ti. Tf is greater than Ti, and Tf is greater than Ti means from this formula it is also shows that Tf is greater than Ti means this W becomes the negative, that is work is negative. Work is negative, and we know that student in case of which case of the work is negative, in which case the work is negative, that is in case of the compression, and in case of the compression work is done on the gas. Work is done on the gas. Work negative कब होगा? जब work done on the gas अगर होगा, और पॉजिटिव कब होगा? जब वर्क इज डन बाय द गैस अगर होगा तो पॉजिटिव होगा. वर्क इज नेगेटिव, सो द गैस विल बी वार्म. Gas will be warm in case of, because the internal energy is increases, so temperature is increases. Internal energy is increases, so temperature is increases. So this is the adiabatic process. And if we compare the isothermal curve and adiabatic curve, we P and V. This is isothermal curve, and this is adiabatic curve. This is adiabatic curve. It is isothermal. And this is adiabatic. This is isothermal. It is adiabatic. From this curve, it is shows that at the intersecting point of the two curve, that is the adiabatic curve. Is steeper than the isothermal curve. एडिबैटिक कर्व इज स्टीपर देन द आइसोथर्मल कर्व। ये डायग्राम से हमको क्या प्रतीत हो रहा है कि एडिबैटिक एट द इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट, जहां पे जो दो कर्व जहां इंटरसेक्ट हुए हैं वो पॉइंट पे जो एडिबैटिक जो कर्व है इट इज स्टीपर देन द आइसोथर्मल कर्व। It is steeper than the isothermal curve. Why this it is steeper than the isothermal curve? Because we know that student that is PV for isothermal. We consider the isothermal PV, that is equal to constant. If we differentiate this equation, we get PdV plus VdP, and that is equal to 0. So PdV that is equal to VdP minus VdP. PdV that is equal to minus VdP. And what is the slope of this curve? That is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So Py is represent the P, means P2 minus P1. And x-axis is represent the V, means V2 minus V1, means P2 minus P1 means dP, and V2 minus V1 is dV. So slope of the isothermal curve that is dP by dV. And from this equation, what is the value of dP? That is minus P by V. And similarly for adiabatic, that is a dP by dV. It is only replacing that is only gamma. It is the gamma time minus gamma times P by V minus gamma times P by V. So from this equation we know that student gamma is always greater than 1. Gamma is always greater than 1, means the slope of the adiabatic process or slope of the adiabatic curve is gamma times greater than the isothermal curve. dP by dV is greater than the gamma times the isothermal curve, means this is the adiabatic process, this is that is adiabatic process, that is equal to gamma times the isothermal curve, slope of the isothermal curve, slope of adiabatic curve or process, that is equal to gamma times the isothermal curve or process. So gamma is always greater than 1. So slope of the adiabatic curve is greater than the isothermal process, and this is the reason why adiabatic curve is steeper than the isothermal curve. Adiabatic curve is steeper than the isothermal curve. Okay, so this is the comparison of isothermal and adiabatic curve. Okay, so what we remember in case of the adiabatic process, that is in case of the adiabatic process, first point is what we remember, that is Q equal to 0. First point, that is the Q equal to 0, means no heat exchange to the system or from the surrounding or to the surrounding. That is no heat exchange. Okay, so the next second point, that is PV, equation of state PV gamma, that is equal to constant. What is the equation of state? PV gamma, that is equal to constant, where gamma is the adiabatic constant. And what is the equation in case of this first law of thermodynamics? That is third point is, remember, del U that is equal to minus W. Del U that is equal to minus W. Del U equal to minus W means the work is utilized. That is work means it is the energy. That is energy is utilized in the form of to change the internal energy. Energy is, in case of the adiabatic process, the energy is utilized or work is utilized to change the internal energy of the system, to change the internal energy of the system. And in case of the adiabatic process, del T is not equal to 0. Del T is not equal to 0. So dear student, this adiabatic process is also occurs rapidly, means there is no time required to exchange the heat between system and surrounding. And this is all about the adiabatic process. थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट, आप जो रिस्पांस दे रहे हो वो रिस्पांस बहुत बढ़िया है, और आगे भी हम आशा करते हैं कि आपका जो रिस्पांस हमें मिलेगा ऐसा ही मिलेगा, इससे ज्यादा भी मिलेगा। और आप कमेंट्स कीजिए, आप फीडबैक दीजिए, हमारा जो वीडियो है वो आपको कैसा लग रहा है, आपको कैसा, उसमें कोई क्यूरीज है क्या, आपको कोई डिफिकल्टीज है क्या। तो हमने हमारा कांटेक्ट नंबर भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, और हमारे जो प्रीवियस वीडियो की जो लिंक है वो भी हमने दी हुई है। तो आपको अगर क्वीरीज, कोई भी अगर क्वीरीज अगर आए इन केस ऑफ द एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस, तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट भी कर सकते हो, आप हमें मेल भी कर सकते हो। तो आप बहुत बढ़िया रिस्पांस दे रहे हो, और हमारे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट भी ज़्यादा रिस्पांस दे रहे हैं, और दूसरे भी स्टूडेंट बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पांस दे रहे हैं। यानी सभी जो स्टूडेंट है जो हमारा वीडियो जो है वो लाइक कर रहे हैं, ऐसा ही आप रिस्पांस दीजिएगा, और इससे भी हम बेहतर, इससे भी डिटेल समझाने की हम कोशिश करेंगे। और ये जो वीडियो है वो नीड स्टूडेंट को और आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कीजिए, ताकि वो भी वीडियो का आनंद ले सके। थैंक यू सो मच डियर स्टूडेंट।